How to delete wallpapers on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete wallpapers on your iPhone. So if you go to your settings and then go to wallpaper, there you will see the list of all of the different wallpapers on your phone. So there you really won't find any options on how you can delete wallpapers. So in order to delete wallpapers, what you'll have to do is simply go to your notification center, and once you've done that, simply long press anywhere on the screen and then you will see the collection of all of your different wallpapers. Now in order to delete wallpapers, all you have to do is simply swipe up, and there you can see the little trash icon. Simply tap on it and then tap on the option delete this wallpaper, and there you have it. So that is basically how you delete wallpapers on your iPhone. All you have to do is simply long press on your notification bar, swipe up, and then tap on the delete option. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.